Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into a topic that's super important for our health, especially if you're living with diabetes. We're talking about what we drink. You know I'm all about practical health tips, and managing blood sugar is a marathon, not a sprint. So what can you sip on that's both delicious and good for you? Stick around because we're about to unlock the secrets of 10 super drinks that are perfect for those managing diabetes. Let's get started. Alright, kicking things off with a classic, green tea. This ancient beverage has been cherished for centuries, not just for its delicate flavor, but also for its myriad health benefits. Now you've probably heard about the antioxidant power of green tea, which helps combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, and promoting overall health. But did you know it can also be a powerful ally in managing blood sugar? Yes, that's right. Green tea isn't just a soothing drink, it's a functional beverage with significant health implications. Here's the deal. Green tea contains these compounds called catechins, and one in particular called EGCG has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. This means that EGCG helps your body respond better to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. What does that mean for you? Well, when your insulin is working better, your body can use glucose more effectively, keeping those blood sugar levels in check. This can be particularly beneficial for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Improved insulin sensitivity means that glucose can enter your cells more easily, providing them with the energy they need while preventing excess glucose from lingering in your bloodstream. Plus, green tea is a refreshing alternative to sugary drinks, which we know can send blood sugar soaring. By choosing green tea over a sugary soda or juice, you're making a choice that supports your metabolic health. And let's not forget the ritual of making green tea. The process of brewing and sipping can be a calming, mindful practice, adding a moment of tranquility to your day. So, next time you're reaching for a beverage, consider brewing yourself a cup of green tea. Your body will thank you. Not only will you be enjoying a delicious drink, but you'll also be supporting your health in a meaningful way. Whether you prefer matcha, sencha, or another variety, there's a type of green tea out there for everyone. Explore the different flavors and find the one that suits your palate best. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective step towards better health. So why not give it a try? Your future self will be glad you did. Let's be real. Getting those recommended servings of vegetables every day can be a challenge. With our busy lives, it's not always easy to prepare and consume the right amount of veggies. We often find ourselves reaching for quick, less nutritious options. But what if you could drink your veggies? Imagine a convenient, delicious way to get all the nutrients you need without the hassle of cooking or meal prepping. That's where low-sodium vegetable juice comes in. This isn't just any juice, it's a powerhouse of nutrition in a glass. Now, I'm not talking about those sugary fruit and veggie blends. We want the real deal, packed with leafy greens and other nutrient-rich vegetables. Think spinach, kale, carrots, and beets, all working together to give you a health boost. Low-sodium vegetable juice is a fantastic way to load up on vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all while keeping your blood sugar in check. It's like having a salad in a glass, but way more convenient. Fiber is key here, as it helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those dreaded spikes. This means you get a steady release of energy throughout the day, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Just be sure to choose a low-sodium option to keep your blood pressure in check as well. High sodium levels can negate the health benefits of vegetable juice, so always read the labels carefully. Incorporating low-sodium vegetable juice into your daily routine can be a game changer. It's an easy, tasty way to ensure you're getting the nutrients your body needs. Plus, it's perfect for those on-the-go moments when you need a quick, healthy option. With so many options available, you can find a flavor that suits your taste buds. From classic tomato to exotic blends, there's something for everyone. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your health and well-being? Start your day with a glass of low-sodium vegetable juice and feel the benefits throughout the day. It's a small change that can lead to big results. Cheers to your health. For those of you who are lactose intolerant or simply looking for a dairy-free alternative, unsweetened almond milk is your go-to. Unlike regular milk, which contains lactose, a type of sugar, almond milk is naturally low in carbs and sugar, making it a perfect choice for managing blood sugar levels. Plus, it's a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Now, I emphasize unsweetened, because those sweetened versions can be loaded with added sugars, which we definitely want to avoid. So, stick to the plain, unsweetened variety and enjoy it in your coffee, tea, or smoothies. Let's talk about cinnamon for a moment, a spice that not only adds warmth to your favorite dishes, but also has some pretty impressive health benefits, especially for those with diabetes. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, similar to green tea, and may even help lower fasting blood sugar levels. Now, I'm not suggesting you go sprinkle cinnamon on everything, but a simple and refreshing way to incorporate it into your diet is by making cinnamon-infused water. Just add a cinnamon stick to a pitcher of water. Let it steep overnight, and voila! You have a delicious and healthy drink that can help manage your blood sugar. But that's not all. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's also known to have antimicrobial properties which can help fight off bacteria and fungi. Adding a dash of cinnamon to your morning oatmeal or smoothie can be a great way to start your day with a health boost. You can also make cinnamon tea by steeping a cinnamon stick in hot water for a few minutes. This not only tastes great, but also provides the same health benefits as cinnamon-infused water. Remember, while cinnamon is beneficial, it's important to consume it in moderation. Too much cinnamon can lead to adverse effects, especially if you have liver issues or are pregnant. So enjoy this wonderful spice in your diet, but always be mindful of the quantity. With its delightful flavor and numerous health benefits, cinnamon truly is a spice worth incorporating into your daily routine. So go ahead, spice up your life with cinnamon-infused water and enjoy the health benefits it brings. When it comes to managing diabetes, herbal teas are like a warm hug from Mother Nature. Two standouts in the herbal tea world are chamomile and peppermint. Chamomile, known for its calming properties, may also help lower blood sugar levels and improve long-term blood sugar control. Peppermint tea, on the other hand, not only aids in digestion, but may also have beneficial effects on insulin sensitivity. So, whether you're looking to unwind after a long day or simply want a soothing drink that supports your blood sugar goals, reach for a cup of chamomile or peppermint tea. Aloe vera, often hailed for its skin-soothing properties, is a true multitasker in the world of natural remedies. It turns out that this wonder plant can also be beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. Aloe vera contains compounds that may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting blood sugar levels. While more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that aloe vera juice could be a valuable addition to a diabetes management plan. Just be sure to choose a pure aloe vera juice without any added sugars. Black tea, like its cousin green tea, is brimming with antioxidants, but it brings something extra to the table when it comes to diabetes management. Black tea contains a unique type of antioxidant called theaflavins, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and potentially reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So, if you're a tea enthusiast looking for a flavorful way to support your blood sugar goals, consider adding black tea to your daily routine. I know water isn't exactly a super drink in the traditional sense, but trust me, when it comes to managing diabetes, water is an absolute rock star. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for overall health, but it's especially important for those with diabetes. When your blood sugar is high, your body tries to flush out the excess sugar through your urine, which can lead to dehydration. Drinking plenty of water helps your body get rid of that extra glucose and keeps your blood sugar levels in check. Coconut water has gained popularity as a natural sports drink, and for good reason. It's packed with electrolytes, which are essential for hydration, especially after exercise. But here's the catch for those with diabetes. Choose unsweetened coconut water. The sweetened versions can be loaded with added sugars, which we want to avoid. Unsweetened coconut water, on the other hand, can be a refreshing and hydrating option with a relatively low glycemic index, meaning it won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is a popular health ritual, and for good reason. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help protect your cells from damage. While lemon water won't directly lower your blood sugar levels, it's a refreshing and hydrating option with minimal impact on blood sugar. Plus, the citric acid in lemons may help slow down the digestion of starches, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. So if you're looking for a simple way to boost your hydration and potentially support healthy blood sugar levels, give lemon water a try. So there you have it, 10 super drinks that are both delicious and good for you, especially if you're managing diabetes. Remember, managing blood sugar is all about making smart choices, and these drinks can be a tasty part of your overall diabetes management plan. As always, it's essential to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a personalized plan that's right for you. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.